Okay, so when you install PUBG Lite PC, it shows you an error that this game is not available in your region. Let me show you how to fix this. So when you log in, it just shows you with an error, PUBG Lite is unavailable in your region. How to fix this? Try PUBG Lite in India without any hassle. You need to download a program called Proton VPN. Just go to protonvpn.com and get the Proton VPN. Click on the button. Once you go there, you need to create your ID for Proton VPN. Just create with any of your Google ID or any of your account. It asks you for option, right? Type any of the name at Gmail or whatever you have. I'm already enrolled with Proton VPN. So what I'm gonna do is I'll head over to Proton VPN. I'm doing download. I've downloaded already, and I'm gonna log in with my credentials. Okay, the best thing about Proton VPN is it allows you to connect to Singapore, which we require in order to run a PUBG PC on the PC in India. So once it gets logged in, what he just needs to do is it's taking a lot of time. All right, it's here. I have a trial which expires in 4 days, so it will allow you to log in for 6 days. So you can do it by swiping your ID. You can create new ID and you can log in after 6 days. So what you need to do is you need to search for Singapore. All right, here it is. And the best thing about Proton VPN is it allows you to connect to different servers of Singapore. Right now, it's the green bar, the green round bar. It shows you how much load it is on your server. So I'm gonna choose a server with a lesser load, 18% load. This is best connection I can get from Singapore. All right, so I'm just gonna connect it. We're gonna initialize the connection. Then I'm gonna find tunnel and connect to the VPN service. It's gonna take a time, like 30 seconds. I'm gonna skip this once it's connected. Okay, now we have connected it to a Singapore server, which 18% load on it. So I like the interface of this VPN. It's clear and it's dark, which I really like. Now we're gonna head over to PUBG Lite, which I've installed already, and I'm gonna show you what you can do after launching PUBG Lite. So I've logged in. Now it won't show me an error. For you, if you're new to PUBG Lite, there will be an update or install button here. Once you do that, it will take around 1.3 GB or 1.9 GB depending upon the data you've downloaded. So once you have done that, you just head over to start and you're good to go. You have PUBG running. Okay, it started. And with my PC build, which I've custom built, I'm getting 200 and 150 FPS in ultra setting. So I'm going to show you how it works. Like I have ultra setting right now. All right, if you want to check out my system configuration, and if you want me to upload a video on how I build the PC, please let me know down in the comments. And this trick for PUBG Lite, it works for a week, so you can just play the game for a week through the VPN, and then you can create a new ID on the same website of the VPN, and you can just log in. I'm getting 203 FPS, or like an average 200 FPS for this game, and everything is working. Miramar, Erangel, both are working right now. and Shenhawk is not available, and the Weekend is also not available in PUBG Lite PC. So yeah, that was it. Hope you like this tutorial of PUBG PC Lite. Thank you.